In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust music volume in InVideo's advanced editor. If you've ever opened an InVideo project and noticed music playing in the background by default, this tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through how to control that music level so it complements your visuals and any narration instead of overpowering them. This process is quick, but understanding what you're looking at in the editor will make it even smoother. Start by opening your project so you can see the timeline. InVideo automatically places music in many templates, so don't be surprised if you hear a track right away. The timeline is your control center, and the audio lives right there alongside your clips. Look toward the bottom area of the screen to find the audio track. It's typically layered below your video track and appears as a waveform or a bar labeled as music or audio. If you're using a template with multiple elements, remember that the audio track is separate from your video layers, so you won't accidentally edit the visuals when working on the sound. Click directly on the audio track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted or outlined, and the editor shows audio-related tools. This selection step is important because it tells the editor exactly which sound you want to control, especially if you have more than one audio clip in your project. Next, look toward the top toolbar for the volume icon. It typically looks like a small speaker. Clicking that icon opens the volume controls for the selected audio. This is where you'll fine-tune how loud or soft the music will be relative to everything else in your video. Use the slider to adjust the volume. Dragging it to the right increases the level. Moving it to the left reduces it. You'll see a percentage value that gives you a sense of how much you're changing the sound. For background music under a voiceover, consider lowering the volume substantially so the narration remains clear. If you need the music to be barely there, take it down close to zero. If the music is the star of the moment, bring it up, but be careful not to let it clip or drown out other audio elements. Small, incremental adjustments usually produce the most natural results. That's all there is to it. By opening your project, selecting the audio track, choosing the volume icon, and adjusting the slider, you've brought your soundtrack under control and made your edit sound more professional.